Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create our product description generator template from scratch. This is a very useful tool. If you're interested in seeing a demonstration of what this chatbot can do, check out the video linked in the description below. Let's get started. First, go to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. Here, you can name your project whatever you like and continue forward. Next, we'll add the fundamental components of our flow. These include the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which will be the chatbot's response to this query. Let's get started by adding our first component. We'll begin with the tool calling agent. This component will act as the heart of our flow. The agent is an advanced module that can answer the user by using the tools at its disposal. We should also add the chat history so that the chatbot is always context-aware and doesn't lose track of the user in the middle of a conversation. The agent comes equipped with the latest GPT model, so we don't have to add the LLM manually. But if you want to change the LLM model, you do have the option to do that. Next, let's add the Google Search Retriever so that our chatbot has full access to Google. After that, we should add the Reddit tool and the YouTube tool so that the chatbot can search these platforms as well for relevant data to include in the generated description. Now, we should give the agent an effective prompt, which is in the description and also shown on screen. Once you're done writing the prompt, we can finally connect our agent to the output and start using the chatbot. That's all. Our product description generator is ready for use. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us or leave a comment. As always, thank you for watching.